Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all the best product comparisons. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, or as we like to call it, Sharky. And on the right, we have the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, or ROPI. Spoiler alert, one of these vacuums will suck more than the other, and that's a good thing. All right, let's talk about the first thing that hits you in the wallet, the price. Sharky comes in at a cool $599. That's right, folks, almost $600 for a vacuum that talks back to you. For that price, I better get a back massage too. On the other hand, ROPI is a budget-friendly $299. That's like half the price. You could buy 2 ROPIs for the price of 1 Sharky and still have enough left for a pizza party. Reviewers appreciate the value ROPI offers at its price point, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers. Next up, let's talk about suction. Sharky boasts incredible suction, picking up dirt and debris on all floor types. It's like a vacuum and a black hole had a baby. Reviewers have praised its performance, especially on hardwood and low-pile carpet. ROPI, however, comes with a 4,000 pascals powerful suction. I don't know what a pi is, but 4,000 of them sounds impressive. It's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Just make sure you don't lose the cat. Users commend ROPI for its strong suction power, making it effective on various surfaces. Now, Sharky has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. That's 2 months of not having to touch a dustbin. You could go on a vacation and come back to a clean house. Or, procrastinate on chores for 2 months. Reviewers find this feature convenient, although some mention that it can be loud. ROPI, on the other hand, doesn't have a self-emptying feature. But hey, at least you'll get some cardio in while you manually empty it. Who needs a gym membership, right? Sharky is strictly a vacuum. It's like that friend who only does one thing but does it really well. Reviewers highlight its efficiency in vacuuming, especially for reducing dust allergies. ROPI, however, is a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming machine. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. You get an upgraded high-capacity water tank and a 4-stage personalized water adjustment system. It's basically a robot butler. Although some users mention that its mopping feature is only adequate for light messes, it still adds versatility. If you have pets, Sharky is designed to capture pet hair with ease. It's like it has a vendetta against fur. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness, especially on hard floors. ROPI also claims to be engineered for pet owners, featuring a no-entanglement design. No more dirty hands cleaning up tangled pet hair. It's like it's giving you a high five for being a pet parent. Users have praised its performance on various surfaces, including rugs and carpets. Both Sharky and ROPI offer voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. But Sharky goes the extra mile with precision home mapping using 360 degrees LiDAR vision. It's like having a robot with the eyesight of a hawk. Reviewers appreciate its good navigation and mapping capabilities. ROPI features comprehensive intelligent control with multiple cleaning modes and a high-coverage sensing system. It's like having a tiny cleaning ninja in your home. Users commend its user-friendly interface and smart capabilities. Overall, reviewers find Sharky to be an advanced, high-performing vacuum, especially suited for hardwood floors and pet hair, though it comes with a higher price tag. ROPI, on the other hand, is praised for its powerful suction, versatility with mopping, and budget-friendly price, making it a strong contender for those seeking value and multifunctionality. So there you have it, folks. Sharky is like the luxury sedan of robot vacuums with all its bells and whistles, while ROPVACNIC is the budget-friendly, versatile workhorse. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Personally, I am leaning towards ROPVACNIC. More bang for your buck and it mops too? Sign me up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.